going to say about Kennedy Japan? If you said yes, he was an MP for maybe 16 years. If you go to this constituency, there's evidence of the work he did. You say it's a businessman. There's evidence that he's doing well in his business. Do you understand? So it's difficult when you go into an election with a candidate like that. You don't know where to even ask to punch him from.
Yeah, Bakramai, Aquatia. Yeah, Penyawa Bida, Kennedy Japan, and now you can say, why the biggest dam in Ashanti region? People don't know. And now you can say, why employ over 8,000 Ghanaian youth? 8,000. Tell me, how many Ghanaian businessmen has been able to do what Honorable Kennedy Japan are? And yes, I want to tell you, yes, you have what you have to be. But your psyche be in a Ghanaian mentality, you are Kennedy no better near breaking. Hello, baby, I'll be having check and say my high Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. Straight away. Ha! Subscribe, but the 2 pound now in Saka. Because I will be bro for I made this salad and a pay. Your friend say, straight to the camp of Kennedy in Japan. I could break. I share, Mammy can't be sure. NPP for yes, and we bomutia. Delegates, no. Monsieur Yansa, the castle natural. Message is subi. Someone to sue be apart from Kennedy in Japan, Mubasare. Aye. NDC ni papa minimum. What say, Massa? Someone no chusua. Obe chusu Kennedy in Japan. Now, a man explicit explanation why he will do that. Let's go and listen to the man.
Hold it. If you take somebody like Kennedy at Japan,
yes,
apart from he being an MP, what metrics are you going to measure him with? Do you understand?
Yes.
If you put the two side by side, I mean Kennedy Japan and Dr. Bawumia, I can argue that Dr. Bawumia has been a vice president before. And so I'm going to measure his performance as a vice president. The things he did and the things he couldn't do. What am I going to say about Kennedy Japan? If you said yes, he was an MP for maybe 16 years. If you go to this constituency, there's evidence of the work he did. You say it's a businessman. There's evidence that he's doing well in his business. Do you understand? So it's difficult when you go into an election with a candidate like that. You don't know where to even ask to punch him from.
Donald Trump had never held any political office. He became president. He's a businessman.
Exactly the point I'm making.
Yes.
Exactly the point I'm making.
Yes.
You know why? When he came on the scene, the main political actor didn't have much to say about him.
Yes.
And he has proven then that he was a successful businessman. So the campaign was easy for him to listen. What I know what to do best is to create wealth. I am a business person.
Yeah, but that's the same thing Kenny saying.
This is my record. I am saying that.
You didn't understand what Fred said.
Maybe he's not paying attention to me well.
No,
I am saying that.
I'm listening to him.
Kennedy at Japan.
Yes.
He is coming to tell the delegates and tell the public, listen,
okay,
I am a businessman. These are my businesses. These are number of people I've employed. I have been successful in business. Give me the opportunity to come and govern Ghana, and I'll do the same thing.
Okay.
Alhaji Bawumia cannot say same.
Yes.
Because he has been given opportunity. And the record as of today showed that it was abysmal. He didn't perform well.
Fair enough, but I'm also asking you.
For me, I'm coming. When I'm campaigning,
yes,
and you put Alhaji Bawumia before me now to criticize, to punch him as a politician, yes. I
get your argument that there'll be less to say about.
There'll be less about but so much to say about Alhaji.
But I want to interrogate your logic. Your logic is that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has been into an elections before and he's lost.
I'm not talking about going to election. He lost and lost miserably. The way he did in the Fourth Republic, nobody has received this kind of defeat.
Right, so let's proceed. Let's proceed with that logic.
So that even confirms the point I'm making.
Yeah, Bakramai, Aquatia, yeah, Penyawa Bida. Shakai. And yes, here we were. Said one shen young ye. And I want to 2 namo year. Operator. Kennedy in Japan. And now you can say, why had the biggest dam in Ashanti region? People don't know. And now you can say, why employ over 8,000 Ghanaian youth? 8,000. Tell me, How many Ghanaian businessmen has been able to do what Honorable Kennedy Japan are here? And yes, I don't want to tell you. Jet you have met me to be. But your psyche be in a Ghanaian mentality. You Kennedy no bet me a breaky. And then my bachelor watch now. Your businessmen no, in Ghana, no. Do you know why they are not producing more? Number one, because of lifestyle. Number two, because of women. I was starting a Juma ne kwaso kakra when ya car be no akoto Range Rover, not them. But there is something that we call pulling back the resources back into the business. Sana broni ya Juma. Because who ya Juma no, you need to be what? Ambitious. It means say any company who are Ghana pa, you should go to West Africa, you should go to Africa, then throughout the world. That's what we call ambition. Yeah, business people, they are limited in vision. One moment vision is limited. Well, be a dear bako, no nya kabaku dema, and now we're starting massam. Well, worry, I can't. Well, no, but Honorable Ken Japan, who said gradually, no, the biggest coal store in Africa, the steel factory, the biggest dam. This is a man, Mecca said. I want to what? Associate with him. And yes, you'll be a one who book on him. And then you pet. My catcher said, Ghana, your problem party said the youth are not getting jobs to do because only maybe we are not producing enough opportunities for them to work. Obroni, and you was shifting system. And then you are John Mahama Castle up to now you aye, because a jumano, ye money papa kunye. Ye bemo bia ye binia spreading across no bia nyaka kredi. Ghana nkuana sabe okwa babia nipa ba ko no wa cameraman, one way sound, one way lighting, one way say adai. Obroni nya juma sa. It's my fault into that me relate here no. It's Yera Kennedy, wa kire ye say onim se ye pesika. Na simple there. Obi baby sane kofo ka Yera Kennedy na no yaya anything of my NPP elusu. One man I no name na so Bryan omran to boansa. What say na they thought the Zongos would vote for them. But they were shocked. You go see Bryan.
We went into an election where I supported the whole idea that if we bring Dr. Bawumia, we will get the votes from the north. That if we bring Dr. Bawumia, we will get the vote from the Zongos. He told me, I believed him. He told the whole party, we believed him. Indeed, in the general election, he told the whole country, except that they didn't believe that. And so when we come back to the drawing table, we evaluate those statements, the promises. You promised us that when we bring you, you bring the Zongos. The data shows that the Zongos did not come. You promised us that when we vote for you, you will give us the north this. These are your own words. It was fine then. You can imagine if I was a candidate and I had said anywhere that because I am the candidate, we will get the Akan vote and we will get the Muslim vote, I would have been crucified. It's not possible for me to say that. But it was said. It was said then. It was not, nobody took it out of term, out of context. Nobody accused anybody of being tribal. The statements that I made were facts that I was sharing with party people. It is only those who want to do propaganda that are out to town on it. I have no problem at all with it. This is a political season. Things that are said clearly will be twisted, and I understand that is part of the game. This is what we call the post-truth era, and I understand it.
The Muslims did not vote for Bawumia. The Zongos did not vote for him. The middle class did not vote for him. The upper class did not vote for him. Even the down like me and you, we didn't vote for him. Why? Because Obano, he said so many things. People thought that Ghana was going to be paradise. In the end, it turned into hell. And my Ghana business is collapsing. Dollar. Now I fight. Oh my God. So, asem no kanin no and ocean attitude so of hano akwa sori wo ha or akwa sori no akọ abusumfie no akọ mot or ye indecisive. It is sanyama way and I hear come for say you might be one of us but we don't care. I respect the Muslims so much. Because now before say they will go and vote blindly because he's a Muslim, but they said no. We are looking for something else. And you know where that something else is? It's in Honorable Kennedy, Japan. 80 said delegates. Me mama warning. Someone got to ma Honorable Kennedy, Japan. Namu got to ma yera Bawumia dia. Meka chamo say count the elections out 2028. Forget it. Because NDC is projecting somebody who is very formidable. The chief of staff, Debra, very formidable, fine gentleman. They are projecting him. And now we should buy election says only the delegation and your projection that they are projecting him. It's an NPP. Someone putting more house in order. No more for Obia more bet me counter what you rather brother badia mubedimu dokunu. Yera Bawumia on to me MBT. Honorable Deborah, Senia or Ria, Wolusu 4 regions. NPP doesn't have a seat there. 4 regions, they don't have a seat there. The whole program they have 3, each in one region. What a shame! But I where they are questioning, it's like delegates in Musi Nyansa. One is Yadia. I expose you 7 bamboos. Subscribe, share. The 2 man answer, Manusi.